In this video, we will build a biplane from my previous kangaroo model. Welcome to Avontage. A few months ago, I built this monoplane, the kangaroo, and I wanted to turn it into a biplane because I think it would look pretty cool. Let's begin with the top ring. The top ring will be constructed like a normal ring with these ribs out of airfoils. The special thing is that I put an aluminium pipe through it for better stability. As you can see, that's the centerpiece. It's 42 centimeters long and will case the ESCs and in these also the motors. The motors will be 1400 kV brushless motors. To extend the ring, I put some smaller rings on the side of it. These will have no aluminum pipe, but will contain the ailerons. Also, I glued them in a bit of an angle for the dihedral effect, for better yaw stability. The rings below will be also constructed like normal. As you can see, I will also put an aluminium pipe, but this time to the entire wing because it's out of 2 parts, not 3, and these 2 parts are not bending, they have no dihedral angle. To mount the wing to the body, I will put this little top piece on with some side covers so it looks cool. The body will be constructed out of normal foam board. As you can see, I put the tail together, the nose together, and it's a very standard looking plane in the end. It will be a tail dragger, so 2 wheels will be at the front and 1 wheel at the back. And the frontal wheels will be extendable landing gear that I bought on eBay. The wheel behind will be built out of Lego. I know Lego isn't optimal, but I want to make it turn so the aircraft can better turn in on the ground. And I don't have a 3D printer, so that's my best option here. To access the wheel in the back, I put this little hole into it. Lastly, to the aileron and rudder. Both will be fairly simple, just your normal control will be put in the back of the plane. This pretty much completes the whole assembly. Now we just need to paint it. I won't glue the top ring onto the body because I need to exit the cables to that. So it will just be strapped with some rubber. Yep. Now we are done with our assembly. Let's head to the field and test it. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. And just a small thing for the commenter on my last video, which was my favorite plane, from the most beautiful plane I built, or the most coolest I think, is my MiG, which you can see above here. It didn't really work because the motors were too weak, but I just like this design of sucking in the front. And also what my favorite plane overall is, it's probably the Kangaroo, so the first version of this, as that you can see right there.